Hi everyone, this is Emmy. In my last video I showed you how to make a similar scarf to this in knitting. And today I'm going to show you how to do the crochet version. So let's get started. To find out how to make this shawl stick, which you can also use as a hair stick, click the next link. To make this scarf, I'm going to use 2 strands of worsted weight yarn. And I'm going to use Red Heart Soft, and this color is teal. And I bought this gorgeous huge hook, and it's 11.5 millimeters. Usually for my big hook I use this 9, but I really want to try this new 11.5 hook. So I'm going to start by chain 12. Now I'm going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and in each stitch of the chain. So single crochet in each stitch across the chain. Okay, so I've single crocheted all the way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. Now we're only going to work in the back side of the stitch. So I'm going to single crochet in each stitch across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. And you're going to continue that all the way across the row. Okay, I've worked all the way across the row. At the end of every row, it's going to be the same thing. Chain 1 and turn, always starting in the second stitch from the hook. Going to single crochet in each stitch across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. Okay, I've got about 26 rows here. I'm going to keep working. I'm probably going to do about 90 rows. Okay, so you're just going to go ahead and make your scarf as long as you would like it to be. And now I'm going to show you how to add fringe. So to make the fringe, I have gone ahead and I've cut 4 strands of yarn twice as long as I want my fringe to be. I'm going to fold it in half like this. Insert the hook through this end stitch of the scarf. I'm going to pick up that fold. I'm going to bring it through. And then I'm going to pick up all the ends and pull those through as well. Like that. Then I'm going to put 5 fringes along this end of the scarf. I've gone ahead and I've put 5 groups of fringe. So there's the knitted style, and here's the crochet one. I did not put a fringe on this one, but you could follow the same instructions if you wanted to add a fringe to the knitted one.